Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to go live on Twitch on PC and laptop. Let's get started. First, go to Switch and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it for free. Once you're logged in, click the profile icon in the top right, then select Creator Dashboard. From the left menu, go to Settings, then click Stream. Here, you'll see your primary stream key. Click copy and you'll need this to connect your streaming software. Next, go back to the dashboard and open Stream Manager, and this is where you'll control your stream. See, chat, and manage everything while you're live. Now, you'll need stream software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs. If you're using OBS, open it and go to Settings and click Stream. Set the service to Twitch and select Use Stream Key and paste the key you copied earlier. Then click Apply and OK. Once everything is set up, just click Start Streaming in OBS and you'll be live on Twitch. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.